Now we come to the second part. How do we make the value means our variables constant? One way we have understood in the form of preprocessor directives. So there is one keyword called constant. So if I am saying it is keyword, then you cannot create name variable name using const. Okay, there cannot be any const variable. If you create it, then it will give you error. So in use constant keyword, you means when you declare your variable and you see that that variable name will not change, means the value of that variable will not change and it will remain same throughout the program. So you place constant keyword before the data type, okay, or before the variable name after the data type. In both the ways it is okay. So here what is the situation, that you have some value and you have a variable and you see that that variable will not change, it will remain always same. So then you write constant, then you write data type. It can be float data type, it can be character data type, it can be anything. Okay, data type can be anything, primitive data types which we have discussed. And then you give the name to that memory location in which it will be stored, but that memory location can access this data, but it will not be changed. It will not be replaced by any other value because we have declared it constant. So actually what happens that you suppose you want to store 9 as a variable. So you will write constant int a equals to 9, or you can also write int constant a equals to 9. Both ways it works. There is no problem. Now, when you were declaring one variable and you were not initializing that variable, so we saw that some garbage value is there in that memory location and it will be printed if you would like to print it. But as soon as you declare the variable constant, then automatically its value by default set to 0. Okay, so if constant variable is not initialized, then its by default value will be 0. And if a variable which is not constant is not initialized, it will have a garbage value. So we run the same program, the calculation of the circle, and then we see we are getting the same output. So in this case, since we know that pi is the constant, but in the previous case we were creating identifier for the pi but not the variable. But in this case we are creating variable for the pi. Okay, so here we are writing float pi equals to 3.14. I am sorry, because in the code I missed the constant, I could not write the constant. Okay, so you can write the constant and it will be means it will be working fine. So then float radius is equal to 7.9 float area, and then area equals to pi into radius and radius. So in this case what happens that this pi will not be replaced by some other value before the compilation process. It will be taken at the runtime, not at the compilation time or before compilation time. Okay, I do one thing, I write this program so that you can understand the difference. That will be better. Okay, so float radius 12.5 something we have written, and then we need area, that is also float value. But we will calculate the area. So area equals to pi into radius into radius. And now we print it. Printf value, sorry, area of circle. Since it is float value and I want to print value from the memory using the area, so I will do what? I will use %f, and then I will write the variable name. That variable name is this. So it will print my area. So that everything printed on the new line, I write it new line character name. This is one thing. Okay. So in this case, I have not declared this pi as a constant, but since it is variable, so it will work. But I can change this pi here, okay, because it is not a constant value. So let's see, it will work now. So circle is 4906.2. Now I want to make sure that it does not change. Okay. For example, if I say here again pi equals to 10, then I can change it. Okay, it will be changed and you will see that area value will change. Now it has changed. It means pi is variable. It can be changed. Although in our real world situation, it cannot be changed because we don't want pi to be changed. Pi is a constant value whenever we are calculating anything. So in this case, it is being changed. But now I do what? I apply the word constant. So as soon as after this keyword, if I apply here or there, then now it becomes constant. Now it cannot be changed. Okay. And the value we will get the same one as the previous one. It is taking time. Okay, I'm opening some other compiler. I am writing the same code and I run it. So you can see the value we are getting 3490. So now if I change it, pi equals to 12. So it will give me, it should give me error. Okay, let's see. It is giving me error. What it is saying? Assignment of read only variable pi. It means because we are saying pi is constant with this keyword, so it becomes read only. You can read it only, you cannot change it, it cannot be modified. Okay, so that, and but we are modifying it in the next line, so that's why it is giving us syntax error, or you can say compilation error. So you will not be able to do it. So this way you can use your constant, and it sometimes if by default or by mistake it is being changed by program, so it will not happen if you use it constant. So this way you use constant in your program.